So now let's see how we can work around with color pass and color replace option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to work around with those, I'm going to go around under effects right here, and I'm going to go around under image control. Once I do that, you can see that color pass is in effect. So if I were to go around and click and drag around the color pass over here on this particular footage right here, then right now you see this. But what I can do is I can go around over here and choose a color, and that particular color will remain, as you can see right here. Let me just go around and then like disable the keyframe area right here. So I can go around and change around the similarity, and only the green color actually pops up, as you can see. You can also reverse it out so that only that color is not there and the rest of the colors are displayed out right here. So now this is what you have, as you can see, and you can take the color picker and then take, let's say for example, this color right here, and then change around the similarity right here to just let it pop out right here, and the other colors become black and white. And that is how you can work around with the color pass effect right here. Let me just go around and delete this and delete out the adjustment layer as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work around with the color replace option now. So if I were to go around and click and drag out the color replace option over here, then what you can do is you can choose a target color over here. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around and choose this color right here, the white color, and then you can go around and choose a different color like red right here, just like this, and it'll be replaced out with that color. So if I were to go around and increase out the similarity, you can see that that color actually changes out just like this right here, and it changes out. It's not perfect, but it's something to replace out the colors with. You can also go around and choose, let's say, green right here, and then that is what you have. The green areas actually gets replaced out right here, just like that, and that is how it works. So if I were to, let's say for example, make it more green right here, I can go around and apply it out over here, just like this. And that is how you can work around with color pass and color replace option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.